Hello traders, this is CurrencyNet. Today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin, one of the most popular assets right now. Let's just get right into it. We're going to start off on the monthly, so I'm going to try and have to form like two biases, a long-term bias and a short-term and intraday bias, and hopefully I'll be able to bridge that together in a way that's easy to understand. Right now, like diving right into it, the market is reacting to like two imbalances that supply right there, that peak and that valley here. So we have two when I have two levels like this close to each other, I just make it into a zone and call it a liquidity pool. So we can just remove that and put like our zone there. So let's so I like to convert those coordinates into like psychological price levels, so right there, the first one we have, that's the supply. We have 93347. So if it's like this, is going to be, I'm going to make it 933. Let's make it 300, and the demand level was 84,316. So let's just say 84,300. Yeah, those are called psychological price levels. Then we have a level of interest here, this high. We have this high right here. What's significant about this high is that, let me just get the coordinates right first. Yeah, it's okay. It's 99,800. So it's okay. Let me just put it like this and mark it like that. Yeah, it's a significant level. Let me see. It's not correct. That's okay. It's a significant level because if you can see, price made this high, and there were rejections, and there was a forced breakout. Yeah, it's a forced breakout because after this breakout we couldn't form a full OCHL candlestick above that level. So you see price reversed back. Then we had like this breakout, and then we had a retest to that level, and we formed a full OCHL candlestick, which indicates a clear breakout. So it's a significant level because it acted as resistance here and support here. Maybe the market will in future react on that level. Another interesting and another interesting significant level would be this high right here. Let me do it like this high right here. So if we notice, we have this candlestick still hasn't closed. So if it closes like red, then this would be a supply level. But since we haven't seen the close yet, maybe it's going to go up, and it's not going to be a full more than 80% body of the whole candle range. So if it closes, if this candle goes up a bit, it closes in 5 days. So if in that 5 days it goes back and it's a less than 50% candlestick, then it's not really a valid supply zone. So I'm just going to mark that significant high, because if this level was, if this candlestick had closed like red, then it will be another liquidity pool like this, so it's not yet close. So it's just one significant level, one significant high. Let me mark it out right here. Let me mark it out. Let me get the coordinates. So the coordinates are 108364. So we can just 108400. Copy that. Yeah. Let's see if it's the coordinates are correct. No, the first one isn't correct. Yeah, let's label it copy text, add text at the price level. Yeah. So we also have an all-time high there, which can be uh, possible. Let me just do like this, because if we can notice like this high right here, price is a significant high because price still hasn't been able to close above that. It's just weak rejection. So I'm just gonna take that high here and connect it with that all-time high at the top right there, so that it becomes like a zone. Let me get the right coordinates. So the top one, I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm just gonna alter the first one to a psychological price levels. I'm just going to leave the all-time high. So it's going to be, it's 1 2 3 2, 200. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. Yeah. And a lot of people are saying, hey, it's over for crypto Mari. What they do not what they do not notice is that the market does not move in a straight line up or down. It retraces. It makes pullbacks. Like, if you can see right here, the market the market here, let's was that, yeah, it is. The market made a rise, then it pulled back, another rise, and it pulled back, and after that pullback it broke those highs, to make. So even what's happening here is just how the market moves, you know but another interesting factor, which maybe the market, which we gotta highlight, is this: connecting these lows connecting these lows right here. um So we have what we might call a breakout here, but we first need to form a full OCHL candlestick below this trend line for it to be a clear breakout, or um, where we can say that the bears are really fully in control. But for now, the momentum is not yet clear, because we still have to break this low right here, this low right here. But the only low that I'm interested in right now, the next significant level, is this one, because if you can notice, price still hasn't been able to fully break out of this this level right here. So we can mark it out. It's 78197, so we can just say 7200. 7200. Those are psychological price levels. You gotta look that up. You understand why I'm doing that. Another, let's see possible. Yeah, I think for now let's go to the weekly. 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 Go to the weekly right there.